What's going on, everybody? This is just truly the Forex Rockstar, man. I'm just seated here, doing some analysis on the charts and preparing myself with the pre-market open, or the pre-market preparation, rather. I don't want to sound too sophisticated. So it is what it is. God bless you. I just wanted to send an alert that I'll be going back again to doing the live sessions tomorrow. Tomorrow is a day. I'll be doing live sessions from tomorrow until the week ends. Every single day we'll be doing live sessions, man, because that's how we do it with the Rockstar. Last week we did just bits and pieces, very successful. I gave you guys a feedback. So tomorrow I'm not going to be answering any emails and any messages today because I'm going to be doing my preparation, okay? I'm going to respond to messages, emails, and WhatsApps, everything tomorrow. Yes, it is what it is. And this is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, guys. Always remember, guys, preparation is the key element in the market. When you want to trade successfully, always make sure that you have prepared adequately. Preparation is key. I was supposed to be, I promised some guy that I'm going to be going live today, but I saw that, no, I'm not prepared. I need to prepare myself. It's value, this thing. We take Forex serious. It's a craft. So one of the things that I do well is I do a lot of preparation, which is what I'm doing now. I'm going to take a break and then I'll return to the markets. But then it's all about preparation today, not trading today. It's all about preparation. And then tomorrow we eat them raw. I'm going to be going live tomorrow. You guys are going to receive a message. If I'm a mentee, you're going to receive a message early in the morning, South African time, on what time I'll be going live, and everybody. So God bless everybody. Thank you so much, and stay blessed. Keep watching and keep logged in. You'll be seeing more. Thank you, guys. God bless you.